Hi everyone, welcome to Wild Puzzle. Today we have an interesting and tricky IQ math puzzle that glow your mind. Your task is simple. Find the missing number in last one, and there is another question at the end for practice. Now try to solve this before I explain the answer. Don't rush 1. Small mistake, and the final answer changes completely. Almost 95%. People fail to find the correct answer. Take a deep breath, focus on the numbers, calculate carefully. Comment your answer before watching. Now let's break down together. Rule is simple. Take the square of middle number, then subtract the top right numbers from it to find the opposite number. For example, for first number, take square of 4, which is 16, then subtract 3 from it. And we found 13, which is opposite of 3. Then for next same procedure, 16 minus 8 equals 8. And similarly, we solve for next number. And now we find missing number by applying same method. Square of 4 is 16, and then subtract 12 from it, and we found 4, which is the missing number or answer. Did you get it right before me tell in comment? Now try to solve this basic math question and comment your answer. Like and subscribe Wild Puzzle for more puzzle and riddle challenges.